What I wish I knew at the start of this season, the world of Formula One is always full of surprises, and this season has been no different. From unexpected victories to shocking defeats, the drama on and off the track has kept fans on the edge of their seats. But one question that has been on everyone's mind is, where is Carlos Sainz heading for 2025? The latest buzz in the paddock is all about Sainz's next move. Speculations are rife and the rumour mill is working overtime. Some say he's looking for a fresh start, while others believe he's aiming for a top team. But what is the truth? Where is Carlos Sainz heading for 2025? One of the most talked about possibilities is that Sainz might be steering towards Mercedes. The Silver Arrows have always been a dream team for many drivers, and with their rich history and competitive edge, it's no wonder that Sainz might be considering this move. Rumour has it his team was spotted negotiating during the Saudi Arabian Grand Prix. The paddock was abuzz with whispers and speculations. Could this be the beginning of a new chapter for Sainz? The negotiations were intense and the stakes were high, but Carlos is playing his cards close to his chest. He's been emphasizing the need for a winning project and stability. In a sport where every decision can make or break a career, Sainz is being cautious. He knows that the right move could propel him to new heights, but the wrong one could set him back. With Yuki Tsunoda and Sergio Perez securing their seats, the grid's filling up fast. The competition is fierce and every seat is coveted. Drivers are making moves, teams are strategizing, and the fans are eagerly watching every development. 8 drivers are still in limbo, and Sainz's choice could be the domino that sets off a chain reaction. The decisions made in the coming months will shape the future of the sport. Teams are looking for the perfect fit, and drivers are seeking the best opportunity. Will he push Valtteri Bottas or Esteban Ocon off track? The competition is fierce and every driver is fighting for their place. The battles on the track are intense and the stakes are higher than ever. Or could we see a dramatic shift with Kevin Magnussen or even Daniel Ricciardo? The possibilities are endless and the excitement is palpable. Every move, every decision, every race could change the landscape of Formula One. One thing's for sure, the suspense is real. Fans are on the edge of their seats, eagerly waiting for the next big announcement. The anticipation is building and the excitement is reaching a fever pitch. So who will Carlos Sainz race for in 2025? The question remains unanswered and the speculation continues. Sainz is keeping his options open, and the world is watching. Keep those engines revving and stay tuned for the next twist in this high-speed saga. The world of Formula One is ever-changing, and the next big move could be just around the corner. Stay tuned because the drama is far from over.